everyone. Hope you all are safe and healthy and your loved ones are around you. In case you have been trying out different projects or looking for more ideas, I thought I'll share some of the things that I have been doing quickly to give more insights and ideas. You never know from where more ideas can come from. And my first quick one is around organizing stuff. So in case you are that person who loves to organize, categorize stuff and know already about label makers, in case you don't know about label makers, I would highly suggest pause this video and go and search for the label makers. But in case you have been trying out and are looking for some new ideas, I recently tried out something that looks like this. If you never know what this is, it's an embossing label maker. It exists for a long time, but I never knew about it. What it does is, it actually gives you an embossed label. So it's like a 3D embossing. It's on a thin metallic sheet which comes with a glue, so it gives you more finished look for different material. I couldn't stop once I started using it. I'm so in love with it, so I'll quickly show how it works. Maybe it gives you more ideas. I'll start with a space because I want a space. I'll put it at the center and then I'll press it and done. I want to write spices because that's the section I'm currently trying to organize. So S and press, then P and press, I. And I can show like this also. I, C, E, and S. You can already see it started coming from the top. Last is S, and then the space. Last is cut. Done. Ta-da! I have the spices. Another good thing is it comes in different colors. You don't need to just emboss in black. You can emboss in orange, yellow, blue, green. So it's like multicolor, guys. Multicolor embossing. You don't need to use it for kitchen stuff. In case you are making some machines and want to tag label with your own name and brand, I think this would be the perfect label to use. So happy labeling, guys. Take care.